Ponds, with or without fish, can go green very quickly in warm, sunny weather. The UV in your filter is guaranteed to kill this type of green water algae. However, this can result in the now dead algae cells turning the water brown and cloudy. The mechanical media in your filter captures most of this waste and removes it from the pond. However, this builds up in the filter and some can settle on the pond floor as sludge. Once the brown dirt has been trapped by your filter, you are left with crystal clear water, the perfect environment for blanketweed to grow, another troublesome and unsightly algae. Clean pond pods added to your pond in a high flow area or directly to your clean pond machine filter uniquely clears blanketweed and feeds pond plants, creating a more effective and balanced environment. The pet and wildlife friendly formula eats sludge in both your filter and from the pond, reducing filter maintenance and clearing a grimy pond floor. And the pods make tap water safe for all aquatic life when you top up your pond from a hose. Due to the gentle and natural way clean pond pods work within the pond ecosystem, results will be most effective when used over a consistent period of time and should not be seen as an overnight solution. Blanketweed reduction should become apparent within a month of starting treatment. For long-term effectiveness, usage should begin when water temperatures reach 10 degrees Celsius and be continued monthly until temperatures drop back below 10 degrees. This dosing schedule will maintain a clean and healthy pond and reduce filter maintenance throughout the pond season.